Are you ready to take your e-commerce game to the next level? Join us as we unveil the secret ways businesses are using AI to personalize the shopping experience and increase sales. From tailored product recommendations to image recognition and 24/7 chatbot assistance, this video will give you a glimpse of the future of e-commerce. Don't miss out on this exclusive information. Keep watching the video. Welcome to our video on AI Think Tank. Today, we're going to dive into how businesses are using AI to improve online sales and make the shopping experience even more convenient for customers. From personalized product recommendations to chatbots that can assist with purchases, AI is revolutionizing the e-commerce industry. Personalized product recommendations are one of the most popular ways businesses are using AI in e-commerce. By analyzing customer data and making recommendations based on browsing and buy history, businesses can suggest products that customers are more likely to be interested in. This can lead to increased sales, higher average order value, and increased customer retention. Additionally, businesses can use this technology to cross-sell and upsell by suggesting related or complementary products. However, to make personalized product recommendations effective, businesses need to have access to a large amount of data about their customers. This data can come from a variety of sources such as website browsing history, purchase history, customer demographics, and even social media behavior. With the help of AI, businesses can turn this data into actionable insights that can be used to improve the customer experience and drive sales. Want to stay ahead of the game in e-commerce? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get exclusive access to the latest AI trends and strategies in the industry. From personalized product recommendations to image recognition and chatbots, we'll keep you in the know on how businesses are using AI to revolutionize the e-commerce world. Click the subscribe button now and never miss an update. Another area where AI is being used in e-commerce is through image recognition. This technology allows customers to take a picture of a product using their smartphone and use it to search for that item online. By using image recognition technology, businesses can enable customers to find the product they are looking for, even if they don't know the exact name or brand. The main advantages of image recognition in e-commerce include improved customer experience and increased chances of cross-selling and upselling. Additionally, businesses can use image recognition for product tagging, which can improve the accuracy of search results and make it easier for customers to find the products they are looking for. But for image recognition to be effective, businesses need to have a large and diverse set of images for their products. This can be challenging for businesses with a large number of products, and images need to be of good quality. Additionally, the image recognition algorithm needs to be fine-tuned to identify the products in the images. Chatbots are becoming popular in e-commerce as they can assist customers 24/7 with tasks such as answering questions, providing product information, and even processing orders. This can save businesses time and resources and provide a more personalized experience for customers. Plus, chatbots can even be used for upselling and cross-selling by providing personalized product recommendations and incentives. For chatbots to be effective, businesses need to invest in high-quality, AI-powered chatbot software. Additionally, chatbots need to be trained with a large and diverse set of data to understand customers' questions and provide relevant answers. Businesses also need to make sure that the chatbot is able to handle many languages and dialects, to be able to assist a diverse customer base. AI is also being used to improve security in e-commerce by detecting fraudulent activities such as credit card fraud or identity theft. This can protect customers' personal information and financial data as well as the business's revenue and reputation. AI can increase the accuracy of detecting fraudulent activity, reduce false positives, and prevent account takeover. For AI and fraud detection to be effective, businesses need to have access to a large amount of data about their customers and transactions. They also need to have the necessary infrastructure and resources to process and analyze this data. Additionally, businesses need to ensure that their fraud detection systems are compliant with relevant laws and regulations. In conclusion, AI is being used in e-commerce in a variety of ways to improve online sales and enhance the customer experience. From personalized product recommendations to chatbots and fraud detection, AI is playing a major role in shaping the future of online shopping. However, businesses need to have the necessary data, resources, and infrastructure to make these AI-based technologies effective.